Hello everyone, our presentation is about heterogeneity in treatment effects of hydrocortisone for sepsis. In the recent guideline on the management of sepsis, it says like this: for adults with septic shock and an ongoing requirement for vasopressor therapy, we suggest using IV corticosteroids. This is a weak recommendation based on moderate quality of evidence. In a recent meta-analysis including 22 RCTs with 7,297 patients, there was no difference in short-term mortality, and to date, no specific subgroups have been identified that corticosteroids are either effective or not effective. So, by applying machine learning approaches, we aim to check the heterogeneity in treatment effects of hydrocortisone and identify patient subgroups that most benefit from hydrocortisone. We used the EICU database, and there were 2,188 patients with septic shock. We assessed whether administration of hydrocortisone led to improvement in the survival rate at hospital discharge. We included the following as potential co-founders. Those were patient demographics, vital signs, initial laboratory data, treatment, and urine output. So first, we extracted data from 2,188 patients with septic shock. Then we used the causal forest model to estimate the effect of hydrocortisone. We ranked the patients into quintiles of estimated treatment effects and checked whether there was heterogeneity in hydrocortisone effects. Then we analyzed which patient subgroup benefits most from hydrocortisone therapy by using the policy tree algorithm. This graph shows the increase in in-hospital survival rate. The overall in-hospital survival rate was 61%, and there was a slight increase in the overall survival rate with the use of hydrocortisone. This is the increase in survival rate in each quintile group. And as you can see, there was heterogeneity in the treatment effect. Then we identified patient subgroups that most benefit from hydrocortisone using the policy tree algorithm. Here, urine output and the amount of norepinephrine used were identified as two key variables. So, patients with either decreased urine output or patients with maintained urine output but who requires moderate dose of norepinephrine might benefit most from hydrocortisone. So, as you can see here, those patients are more likely to benefit from hydrocortisone therapy by approximately 8% increase in the in-hospital survival. So our machine learning-based model suggested that there is heterogeneity in treatment effects of hydrocortisone for patients with septic shock. And we showed that in some patient subgroups, for example, patients with decreased urine output, hydrocortisone might be effective. And we believe that our machine learning-based approach can help to facilitate personalized treatment strategy in the field of intensive care. Thank you.